Damn, I can make pizza all night with this thing. You need a hotter oven to really get the texture and the bake quite right. All goes well, this will be the worst pizza of the day. We're looking for good oven spring, the pop. That's gonna talk to you about texture, okay? The more it springs, the lighter and crispier the texture is gonna be. Just browns on the outside is super important. It's gonna tell you about your oven temp, it's gonna tell you about your fermentation, the sauce reduction. So how thick and pasty is the sauce, or is it thin and watery, or is it just the perfect balance in between? And the fourth characteristic, I look at the way the cheese melts. We want to look at the pizza, each pizza that comes out, and we want to make subtle adjustments based on those four characteristics. Okay, take two. Let's look at the interior texture. This is the true test of your fermentation. Okay, this outside is it's caramelized, and caramelization always tastes good. Okay, the real test for fermentation is the smell and the taste of this interior part of the edge. Good acidity, super floral. The flavors keep evolving in your mouth, and there's a very long finish. That's what we're looking for. But this is so even, and just you have so much control that, like, I just want to keep going. This is pizza number 3, and so far we are dialing in to this oven, and good caramelization, good oven spring, cheese melted nice, sauce is not over reduced or watery. This is good stuff right here. All these different shades of brown and amber and grays. Like, that's good stuff. You can hear it, how crispy it is. All right, cheese melted nicely, sauce reduced nicely, the crust is nice and brown, good oven spring, and you should hear an audible crunch.